AIRBUS A320, and it's a narrow-body airliner, and it's part of the A300 family. So let's talk about it. The A320 family are narrow-body airliners designed by Airbus. The A320 was launched in March 1984, first flew in February 1987, and was introduced in April 1988 by Air France. So, first things first, let's talk about my favorite thing, the jet engines. The CFM565B is the engine for choice for the A320 family, having been selected to power nearly 60% of the aircraft ordered. In an A320, a single engine produces 16,000 horsepower and 27,000 pounds of thrust. The A320neo is a development launched on December 2010. It made its first flight on September 2014, and it was introduced by Lufthansa on January 2016. Re-engined with the CFM International or Pratt & Whitney engines, and with large sharklets, it should be 15% more fuel efficient. Now the second feature. For those of you who don't know, or if there are Airbus pilots watching this video, there is a special feature called fly-by-wire. Let me explain what it is. The A320 is also the world's first airliner with digital fly-by-wire systems that replaces the conventional manual flight controls of an aircraft with an electronic interface. In a fly-by-wire aircraft, the pilot inputs a command via a side stick or a yoke to a computer. The computer then directs the hydraulic or electric actuator to deflect a flight control surface. There are numerous advantages to fly-by-wire system, some which are reduces weight, provides easier and more precise maintenance, allows for the programming of flight control limitations, allows for a more pilot-friendly cockpit, provides a more precise autopilot, and provides more advanced flight control capabilities. And finally, let me tell you about the highly advanced cockpit of the Airbus A320. Let me tell you about it. The A320 has 575 buttons, switches, and knobs. This besides 364 circuit breakers situated in the cockpit as well. If you memorize just one button a day, it will take you almost 2 years to learn every single one of them. The layout is very clean and uncluttered, and this avoids mistakes that are sometimes avoidable in a high workload and tiring environment. The cockpit layout has 6 LCD units with 2 side sticks. The seats are electrically and manually controlled, while for the pedestal, they have controls over thrust, radios, flaps, and a transponder, and also long-term flight management systems. The overhead panel is properly divided into different sections such as air conditioning, electrics, fuel, hydraulics, and fire. Each section's name is written on the side so that the pilot can just follow with his finger. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And for the next video, I'll talk about the Boeing 777. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.